congratulations on a tough year. Of my 25 years in education, I would say this has been the most interesting. Can you believe that we basically had 5 first days this year? I am really impressed and want to express my compliments to you all, you students who have shown such incredible resilience this year and such incredible perseverance. You have made history and you have made it look awesome. So good job. Keep up the hard work. You have earned your summer. I also want to say a huge thanks and compliments to our teachers. Our Bobcat staff makes coming to work every day a pleasure. Thank you, you guys, for all that you do, for your sleepless nights, for your endless energy, for all of the stress. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You have embraced your flexibility and you have shown so much grace this year. You guys are amazing. The award for best staff goes to you, the Bobcat staff. For your efforts and for the prize for your best staff award, I want to give you the next 70 days off. That's right, you get 70 days off, Bobcat staff. Take the time, you have earned it. On a more serious note, you have made One South awesome this year. You guys are great. Thank you for all that you have done. Thanks for being amazing. Today, we want to celebrate us as a whole, as One South, but we also want to take some time to celebrate our individual accomplishments. So please sit back and enjoy this year's award show.
Hi, Miss Stoddard here. I'm going to read the Social Studies Spirit of the Bobcat winners. In 7th grade, we've got Nicholas Sasso and Ariana Kilborn. For 8th grade, we've got Trayton Benner and Taylor Linville. In 9th grade, Spirit of the Bobcat Award goes to Morgan Ritthiller. And the leader of the year is Ella Henry.
So good job, Bobcats. Doing a really good job 2020-2021. I'm here from the English Language Arts Department for our awards. We have Leader of the Year, Adriana Haranka Mexicano. Well done. And Spirit of the Bobcat, 9th grade, Sloan Sunt. For 8th grade, Jane Loftus and Ella Howard. For 7th grade, Ashton Smith and Emily Gonzalez. There are 2 more 9th grade awards. Those are the Cotton Ward Fine Writing Awards. Those go to Mia Lozano Gonzalez and Ethan Griswold. Well done.
Hello, my name is Mr. Croy, and I am a math teacher here at South Junior High School. I am here to announce our award winners for the math department. Our first award goes to our meticulous math student of the year, and that is Ashley Bolins, and she was selected by Miss Brooks for the detailed work she does in class. Our mathematician leader of the year is Tommy Schleckenbach. Sorry, Tommy, I know you've had you before. I did my best on that. Sadie Autumn Cashman is our Spirit of the Bobcat Award winner for 9th grade, chosen by myself. We also have Lay War in 9th grade, chosen by Miss Inskeep. For our 8th graders, we have Edwin Mendez Garcia, chosen by Miss Brooks. And in 7th grade, we have Grace Friedel, chosen by Miss Lyons. And Ricky Lima Lopez, chosen by Miss Navoa. Great job, Ricky. Great job, all math students. Those of you selected, awesome job this year. Those 9th graders, we will miss you and come back and visit us soon.
Hey, my name is Mr. Litzinger, and I'm here to announce the awards for the science department. These are our annual awards. The following students have demonstrated hard work, integrity, and excellence in science all year long. I am proud to announce the Spirit of the Bobcat Award for 7th grade. We have 2. We have Talon Hansen. Nice job, Talon. And we have Cooper Archuleta. Good job, Cooper. 7th grade Spirit of the Bobcat Awards. For the 8th grade Spirit of the Bobcat, Adeline Hassett and Liliana Juarez. Congratulations, you two. For 9th grade, we have 1 Spirit of the Bobcat and 1 Science Leader of the Year. Spirit of the Bobcat Award goes to Andrew Rojas. Nice job, Andrew. And Science Leader of the Year is Isabella White. Good job, Isabella. Great year this year. Thanks for being such awesome students, you guys. And we look forward to having you in class as 9th graders.
All right, hey guys, this is Mrs. Southern, Miss Romaley here to give the AVID Student of the Year Awards. We have some great students who we definitely want to recognize through all the hard work they put in through this crazy year. So for me, I have two 7th grade students I would like to recognize. My first one is Zach Werbach, who is an amazing, he came in this year, an amazing student. I had so much fun with him. And Harmony Trude, both phenomenal students. And my 8th graders this year are Dawson Arrington and Flor Mendoza Ortiz. Good job, you guys.
And my two 9th grade winners, very well-earned Avos, who is also new, and he has got to be one of my hardest workers in the class, and Barish, also an extremely hard worker, and I am so proud to have been able to teach you guys. So,
Congratulations to all. Good job, you guys.
Hey guys, Senior Andy here, representing World Languages, and your awards are for French Student of the Year, Ella Henry, for Dual Language Student of the Year, Maya Cox, y para el Estudiante del Año en Español, Drew Rojas.
Hey Bobcats, Mr. Bailey here representing the Performing Arts Department. First, we'll start with the Choir Award, which goes to Alicia Garcia. The Achievement in Piano Award goes to Ileana Lima. The John Philip Sousa Award for Band goes to Thomas Schmelzenbach. And the Esprit de Corps goes to Sloan Sunt. Morgan Brithaller and Megan Miracle both earned the Orchestra National School Award. Achievement in Guitar go to Lawea Kashindi and Garrett Jagger. The Rookie of the Year for Drama is Ethan Lemos Basinger. And the Theater for Life Award goes to Jessica Dempsey. Thank you so much. Have a great summer.
Hi, I'm Miss Moress, and I'm going to be doing the Art Awards. Art 2 Excellence Beyond Requirement goes to Justine Luck. Art 3 Excellence Beyond Requirement goes to Valeria Bu Ramirez. Art 1 Student of the Year goes to Sadie Cashman. And the Arts and Crafts Achievement Focused Creativity and Mastery goes to Jack Barbeau. Great job. And the Excellence in Photography Award goes to Emma Hurd.
I'm Mr. Hull, and I teach the engineering classes at South Junior High School. The Bert Pierce Technology Award winner for this school year is Gwen Brearley.
Hello, South students. I am Mr. Rutten Turner, the athletic director here at South, and I'm here to announce the awards for Most Outstanding Athlete and Most Inspirational Athletes. So we'll start with the first one. We have the Most Inspirational Male Athlete, which is Ethan Lemos Basinger. Ethan has shown a good character on and off the field. He's persevered through challenges in life and through things that he's had to earn to become an athlete at his level. So he's definitely inspired many people around him to be a better person and to be a better athlete. For the female most inspirational athlete is Kiera Gibner Phillips. Again, if you know Kiera, she is very positive in the classroom. She's very positive on the court. She works hard, just not on the court, but just also in the classroom. And so that really inspires a lot of students. Look up to Kiera and to be a better person in the classroom, but also on the court. Our next two awards are for the most outstanding athlete. And when we think of the most outstanding athlete, we think of athletes that excel in their sport. And so the first one is for the most outstanding female athlete, which is Megan Miracle. Megan, if you have not seen her play, she plays softball for Bora. She helped lead Bora to the district tournament for the first time in, I believe, 4 or 5 years. And she pitched the first game against Timberline, helping Bora win 1-0 to move on to the semis. And she pitched most of the district tournament too. If you ever get a chance, definitely go see Megan. She's an excellent softball player. And then finally, for our most outstanding male award goes to Oscar Otero. Oscar is not just one sport athlete. He does multiple sports, which I consider as an outstanding athlete. He does football for Bora, he did wrestling for Bora, and he does rugby also. And so Oscar is an outstanding athlete because he chooses to play multiple sports and excels at all of them. And then finally, my last award I'm actually the PE 9 teacher also, and I like to give out an award to the 9th grader who's most motivated, because 9th grade PE is all about fitness, all about working out, creating goals, and so the student that comes to mind is Day 2. Day is a hardworking student in PE. He's motivated, he can work on his own, he can do his own workouts, and he definitely shows the other students how someone who wants to get better can do that.
For her hard work, dedication, and steady leadership, I choose Iris Hernandez for the Principal's Award. Great job, Iris. Keep up the great attitude.
Hello, South Junior High. 9th grade counselor Miss Sose over here. I am excited to give the Counselor Award this year to 9th grader Kaylee Payne. On behalf of all of the counselors, we are so proud of you and all of your accomplishments and hard work this year. We know that you have worked really hard, and we know that you are going to do so well at Bora High School. So congratulations, Kaylee.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Campbell. I am here to announce the faculty recognition of April Bell. I just want to say that I so appreciate you, and I think that you are an exceptional worker who is a great role model for other peers based on your academics and your positive attitude. Nice job, April.
This award is a faculty recognition for Madeline Mullane. Maddie, we are so proud of you in the SLC room, and we can't wait to see what your future holds.
Hi, I'm Mrs. McCary, and I am representing Miss Bradford. We have chosen a person who is new to South this year in this crazy year, and we just really appreciate the grit, the characteristic that this person has shown. And we would like to recognize Crystal Russell and appreciate her and all of her hard work here at South.
broadcasting group and Mr. Bailey, this has been an amazing awards show. Thank you to our teachers who have taken the time out to spend time celebrating you. Bobcats, have an awesome summer, have a great last day of school, and we'll see you in the new year.